We have Team Meghalaya. From the state known as the land of Red River and Blue Hills, we have Assam Team A. Now we have a state known as the land of peace and tranquility. We have Sikkim. the rising sun, we have Arunachal Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, the runway is not just first team is Manipur Team B.
A very good evening, everyone. I myself, 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙩𝙤𝙤, studying in class 12 at East Higher Secondary, representing Manipur State Province, TB. And I'm very thrilled and excited. And I myself, 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙩𝙤𝙤, welcome everybody here, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear Jews. I welcome everyone. Welcome to Manipur, everyone. Thank you.
Now we have Manipur Team A.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening once again. My name is Bihu. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Arts in Department of English from 𝐍𝐸𝐫𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐭 College, proudly representing the Manipur Team A. During my lecture time, I love singing, and I aspire to become an army officer, which is also the reason why I accepted and last but not least, I would like to say, be proud of yourself, be who you are, work with heart, and lead with love. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges and my dear friends. My name is 𝐍𝐸𝐫𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐭. I am a proud NSS volunteer representing the Manipur Team A. My attire represents the traditional and cultural heritage of Manipur. And I would like to thank for giving me this golden opportunity to represent my cultural heritage. Thank you.
Okay. I have a simple question. What inspired your theme or costume today? Anyone? What inspired your theme or costume today?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, we represent our cultural heritage. I am wearing a male attire for my minority community, and my friend here is wearing from the our community. And we want to represent the message of unity and diversity.
Hello. Yeah, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. My question to you is, what is one personality or character that you admire most and why you choose him or her? Should I repeat the question? You just name one personality, okay, or any person that you admire the most and why you choose him or her.
Okay, for that, I will name just one. I want to name two, that is my parents, my mom and dad. I wouldn't differentiate between both of them because they are my loved ones and they always care for me. And that is why I choose both my parents. Thank you.
Thank you.
Assam. Today we are represent to our Assam cultural wedding bridal ground. Thank you.
My name is 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙯. We are from Assam, Team B.
You just wait for the questions. Huh? You just wait for the questions. So, like one question I will ask, okay, any one of you can answer this one, okay? So for the past few days you are here in Manipur University, right? For the past few days you are here in Manipur University campus. So, what is one thing that you like most from Manipur University, and what you don't like the most?
यहाँ का लोग बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत प्यार कर रहा है, लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से बात कर रहा है हम हमारे साथ, यही हमको अच्छा लगता है मणिपुर यूनिवर्सिटी का।
What you don't like the most? Anything?
Clever.
Thank you.
Thank you, Assam Team B. Next, we have team from Meghalaya.
Jari Manipur, dearest judges and all the NSS volunteers of the Northeastern state. Welcome to the heart of the World Club, Meghalaya. I, Michael Rinja, from the Department of English Literature in my master's level, I proudly present you the Meghalaya culture, the culture of the 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙯𝙀. These clothing are not just the garments or the entertainment. They are hidden stories hidden in it. They have the stories of dignity, stories of humility, and story of simplicity. Thank you.
Good evening, esteemed judges and my dear friends. I am 𝐍𝐨𝐫𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐭, proudly representing Meghalaya. I am excited to be representing Meghalaya and to showcase our traditional Khasi attire and celebrate the rich culture and tradition of this state. Thank you.
Okay, Krishna. What role do you think NS play in serving the youth beyond academics?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that question. Beyond academics, we know that NSS is a selfless service. We serve for the others. NSS is not just about studies, books, earning grades and a qualification. NSS is about doing what we can for other people with all our heart, with the big heart that we have. And NSS is not for high salary, but NSS is for big heart for the smallest people and the people in need. Thank you.
Hello. Okay. How are you feeling now? Feeling nervous? Okay, my simple question to you is, how do you define success in life?
Thank you, ma'am, for that question. For me, success is what we work on our dreams, not just the way we dream, but hard work, through hard work. Because without hard work, there is no success. Like we used to say, a person need to do practice, and also they have to learn. And also, like students, if we need to pass in our exams also, we have to study so that we can get good marks. Or if we have to apply for jobs also, we have to prepare ourselves in our interview. And also, like NSS also will help us, because this also gives us a chance to do what's good for us and for the people. If we have the spirit to do hard work in our life, then we will surely get success. Thank you.
Thank you.
The next team we have is Assam Team A.
Namaskar, Bukoloke.
Namaskar everyone. How are you?
Myself, Nazifa Ansari.
Myself, 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙤𝙤.
Today we are representing our Bihu tradition from Assam.
Hello everyone. How are you? Okay. So, हम लोग का ट्रेडिशनल ऐसे ही है. This is साड़ी, right? इसको रेन से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए और धूप से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए इसको पहना जाता है. और गामसा anyone को रेस्पेक्ट करने के लिए. So,
This is Kokona. This is used to play like this and it makes sound while dancing Bihu. And this blooms in Bohag month, that is in April. This is a Assamese traditional necklace. Zungiri. This is Puria. This is Muti Kharu. This is red blouse. This is Tos Muga Riha. This is Muga Mekela. And this is Japi. This Japi is taken by women for dancing Bihu, and for male it is taken for agriculture to protect them from rainfall. Thank you.
Okay. To my side, how do you explain success in both fashion and community service?
I believe success is not about how much money we make and how much big house we have, either we have bungalow or a small house. I believe success is happiness. If you are happy in life, you are success. I see many families, they have big bungalows, they have money, but they don't have a happy family. So I believe that happy family is a success. Again, another for me success is, we divide people from religion, but I think unity. For a person, religion must not come in front. It is for success. To become success, a person should always bring not religion but humanity.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, now it is it's already giving up. Okay, I'm sorry. Mine is very simple question. Okay, so like since you have already answered here, so I will ask you. Okay? What do you love most about Manipur? Yeah, you can answer in Bihu.
यहाँ का वेदर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
Okay.
असम में मतलब क्या है ना, असम से बहुत सारा धूप देती है और मतलब बहुत धूप मतलब ज़्यादा ही देती है।
But now it's raining now, very happy now.
या यहाँ का मतलब कभी कभी रेन मतलब अचानक से आ जाते हैं और धूप ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो इसलिए मुझे यहाँ का वेदर अच्छा लगता है।
Oh, in Assam it's very hot.
हाँ, yes.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Namaste everyone, respected dignitaries, judges and everyone present out here. Today we are presenting Team Sikkim. My name is 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙦 and the attire that we are wearing today is called 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙦. And what I am wearing is 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙦 and what my partner is wearing is called 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙙𝙞𝙀. So now I am going to introduce you to the attire that my partner is wearing. The beautiful ornament that she is wearing in her head is called 𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬, and the nose ornament that she is wearing is called 𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙬, and the ear piercing that she is wearing is called 𝐻𝐴𝐴𝐴𝐴, and the beautiful necklace that she is wearing is called kantha, and the other ornament that she is wearing is called paisa mala. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Good evening to one and all present here. Today we are proudly presenting Team Sikkim, and my name is Smriti Pradhan, and the attire which my partner is wearing is called Daura Surwal, as already told by my partner. The upper part which is worn by him is known as Daura, which has 8 ties, which represents 8 mother goddess, and he has also worn this coat, Oxford, and Dhaka topi, and he has finished his look with kantha. And today we are proud to represent our culture, tradition, and we are very proud that we are representing Sikkim. Thank you.
About the traditional wear. So I want to ask only one question: that what makes you different?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. As you can see, the attire which I am wearing is very beautiful. The ornaments which I am carrying is very beautiful, and I think this Nepali community itself is very beautiful, vibrant, and also very cultural. When people say, or when people ask where you're from, and when I say I'm from a Nepali community, I feel very proud and confident that I can say that I belong to the Nepali community, and I feel it is unique itself because I am representing Nepali community. It's a very unique and it has a beautiful ornaments as we already explained, and the dress which we are wearing, it also symbolizes the good luck and also for the protection. So I feel our culture, Nepali culture, is very unique. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Next question.
As we all know that nowadays people are using Facebook, Instagram, and any social media platform, right? So in your opinion, what do you think? These social media are more harmful or like more helpful to today's youth, and why?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Okay. As being a student, I feel that it's very helpful. Social media like Facebook, Instagram and all, we can connect with the people, we can know new things by this social media, and if we use properly, it's very useful, and if we misuse it, I think it's very dangerous too. Because as we know, there are very cyber crimes are happening, and that's very dangerous in today's generation as a youth. In my opinion, this social media is helpful, but I think we all as a youth have to use it very properly and in a secure way. We can do like this, like we being, as I'm from the education department, I'm from the education team. So I feel that we have to teach the students, or we have to teach the youth to use this very usefully, and to also to so the awareness camps and also that we can use very properly.
Thank you.
And we're representing Nagaland. We are known for our vibrant tribal culture, diverse landscape, and rich heritage. We are also particularly famous for our Hornbill Festival, which showcases our artistic and musical heritage and our scenic beauty like Suku Valley and the Jafu Peak. We have 17 recognized tribes in Nagaland.
I am representing the Angami Naga tribes. And the attire I'm wearing today belongs to the Naga Angami community, and it is worn by the Naga Angami women. It is worn on special occasions like weddings and festivals. It is known as Dorang Masu. Its design and color signifies peace, purity, and status.
And I'm representing the Sunni Naga tribe from Nagaland. The Sunnis are one of the major tribes inhabiting Nagaland. We Sunnis are considered as one of the most united and martial tribes among the Nagas. The traditional attire that I'm wearing was worn by our forefathers during wartime. Sunni man attire is not just for dressing up. It is a way to express and preserve our cultural identity, history, and social culture. And we bring warm greetings from the hills of Nagaland.
Good evening to all of you. Anyone can answer my question. So, who is
home.
So I repeat the question. Who is your favorite leader? Can be from India or from outside. And why do you choose him or her?
I'll choose our Prime Minister, Sri Kurio. I think he is a man of culture, and he belongs to Nagaland. And belongs to another community. He's also from this other community. Tireless efforts for Naga, for development. I would love to appreciate his words.
Okay. What do you think? Can fashion start changing society? What do you think that fashion starts changing society?
Yes, fashion has a very big influence on our modern day. Fashion is what brings people together. Fashion is what brings one's cultural identity to the world. It showcases, it is a form of expression to the whole world, and also to reveal ourselves, to introduce ourselves through this fashion.
Okay, thank you.
Hello Manipur! We are the Arunachal Pradesh. My name is Sri 𝐍𝐨𝐫𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐚𝐬𝐭, and I will representing Wancho community.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ms. Yosmi Chopra, and I am proudly representing the land of rising sun, the one and only Arunachal Pradesh. The attire we are wearing tonight is called the Lei, which is the traditional attire of the Wancho tribe.
It's a very simple question here. So you just tell me what is your biggest strength and weakness?
Hello everyone. Thank you for your beautiful question, ma'am. As you asked about my strength is the confidence I wear on myself through by overcoming my fear in front of you all, and the biggest fear of mine, which is also a stage fear, which I'm facing right now. Thank you so much. Okay, next time.
What you will do if you win the show? Question mark. Okay, hello. What you will do if you will win the show?
Because I'm showing Wancho traditional dress and be proud of the Wancho communities and do your will because of I win.
Okay, thank you. Okay. One question. What message you are trying to convey through your outfit today?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am, and a very good evening, everyone. The traditional dress that I'm wearing now is a pride of Manipur. The one with the only handmade and the only traditional wear that our native Manipur will wear, and it's the traditional dress that is made in Manipur. And it is the femininity and the one, and it's a code, it's a traditional wear that our Manipur it has worn throughout the ancient times, and it is a pride, and we are showing the pride of Manipur. We are showing that it is the pride that we show to the world, and it is our culture. The Manipur. It is very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Next question.
Good evening. Yeah. So, what advice would you like to give to your younger self? So, can I repeat? What advice would you like to your younger self?
This is Manipur.
Hindi mo na kaya mo niya. Nanti yang gawin ka, ang mamangin ka sila na sa mga nakalagay tadi, pero may advice hindi na bigay. Any advice to your younger self? Okay, I'll ask another question, okay? Nanti mo ito kazabaya sa kayo.
Okay.
Mấy cái mèo đi kìa. Mấy cái mèo đi kìa. Mấy cái chị tô này.